Hi everyone, want to download a high quality videos from Nim.video without watermarks? Today I'll show you a simple guide how to export a clean, professional AI videos in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, start by entering your text prompt and choose a template or upload your own asset. Then customize your videos with voiceovers, visual styles, subtitles, and music. Then preview your video and until you're happy with it. Then to remove a watermarks, just access the full HD downloads. You'll need the pro version or the premium subscription and just click the upgrade button in the top right of the dashboard. The plans are super affordable and worth it of using the Neem for content creation. Then click export and choose your resolution, your format, and frame rate. And once you're happy with the result, you can now export it and with a high quality directs to your computer or phone. You're now ready to post it on your social media platforms. And that's it. That's how easy it is to export a clean, high quality videos from Nim.video. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.